Hey guys, good morning and good day to everyone, and welcome to my show, Mr. M Production. So today I'll be showing how to use the Kinemaster, just the basics tutorial on using Kinemaster. So let's get right on to it. So here's the front of my phone, and we'll go straight to the app. There it is, Kinemaster. Alright, click on Kinemaster. Alright, once you've clicked on the application, you'll be directed to the Kinemaster interface. So, welcome to Kinemaster. So, once you've clicked on it, on the right side, as you can see here, these are some of my video projects. And when you get started yourself, this is where your projects will be saved. So you can click on them to continue working on them. So let's get started. We click here in the middle and you'll be directed to choose. You have to choose from 3 different video aspects ratios. So we have the 16:9, which is your typical landscape video. 9:16 is your portrait video, and the 1:1 your box videos. Box video square. All right, so I'll go for the 16:9, which is your typical, which most editors mostly use for those landscape videos. All right, to insert a video file, click on that media button. Once there, you'll be directed here. Click from any folder you want which your videos are saved. I'll click here, I'll click on this. Right, once done, it will appear here, and click on that check button. Right, next, if you want to insert another video file, click on media. Right, click on the folder you want and click, and it will appear right there. Nice. And when you're done, click on the check button. So this will be it. Nice. And if you can see that white box there, click on that white box. That will be your transition effects. So between every videos, there will be certain effects in and out. So click on that, and on the side will be transition effects will appear. So Kinemaster has some built-in classic transitions, fun transitions. Other transitions you'll have to download from their store for more fun and very cool transitions. So for now, we'll click on the classic transitions. So we have here the fade through, crossfade, and the zoom out. I'll click on the zoom out. Nice. Alright, okay. When you're done, hit the check button. And when you're done, if you want to see it through, just hit that play button right here. Alright. And effects, Sunday special. There you go. So it's one of the videos I've been working on. Click. Alright. Nice. So if you want to add more effects, you can choose layer, put on stickers, effects, no stickers, blur, no, go back. Now it's put some text. So let's hit this. Hi, I'm Mr. M. Like and subscribe my channel. Alright. So once that's there, I can put it anywhere in the screen. So I'll put it right here, corner. I can resize it from big to small. So I'll just fit it right there at the corner. Okay, once I'm done, I get to check. So I'll have to adjust that on the bottom. See here, you can adjust the length or the duration of the text to appear, how long you want it to appear. I go for 2 seconds. So it'll appear right here between the video. Alright. I'll put some in animation when it comes in, fade in. Nice. Once done. And out animations. I'll put something that there is a slide down. There we go. So check. Let's check it again. So let's check it out. Hit the play. Hi, I'm Mr. M. Like and subscribe my channel. That was too quick. Let's adjust it a little bit. Alright. Here we go. Like. Again. So there we go. So if you're done with all your editing, all the things you want to do, or you put in all the video you want, all the editing, and so when you want to save, click this button here. It'll be directed here. So once here, you can choose from different kinds of resolution, from 1440, 1080, 720, 540 to 480. Okay, frame rate 30 to 12. So I'll stick with the 30. I'll go for the 480. And remember, note this: the lower your resolution, the less memory you use up. But the higher your resolution, the more memory you use up on your phone or your memory. So here, the byte rate, the lower, less memory, the higher you go, the more memory you use. So I'll just go somewhere in the middle, there. And once done, press that export button and exporting. Just wait.
2 hours later.
Almost there. And success, we're done. There we go. And on the top right, you'll see the video you've created. If you want to see it, you can play and hit that play button. Choose it. I'll choose VLC. And there we go. Mr. M Productions. And there we go. Hi, I'm Mr. M. Like and subscribe my channel. So that's it. And just a very simple tutorial, guys. And I hope it helped you in some way. And I'll upload more videos teaching you how to use this editor, other effects, other ways. And so that's it for now. So I'll see you next time. So guys, please like, subscribe my channel. Thanks. Hit the bell button for more notifications. Thanks. See ya. Don't wanna be ya.